obscure office that a lot of people don't even know the clerk of First City Court exists. Should it exist? And why should it exist for First City Court? Why can't these procedures, or why can't these responsibilities be folded under the civil district clerk? You have 1 minute to answer that question.
Because they handle entirely two different sets of issues. And the clerk of civil district court handles the procedural aspect of First City Court. And so, you know, you have to have someone that handles the different litigants that come in, the fees, also the paperwork. That's exactly what the clerk does. The clerk manages a staff of about 25 people. And so, you know, my skill set best serves that because of my experience in customer service, my experience in Baton Rouge, my experience being a manager. And so I think that this is a unique position. The clerk of Second City Court over on the West Bank is Darren Lombard. He is not an attorney either. He does a fantastic job over there. They have the same issues that we have over here, but over on the East Bank, it is a much larger issue because we have more people over here. But we have to have someone that is going to outreach to people and let them know that First City Court exists and they could utilize it to seek justice.
Same question, Mr. Ray. Some have called it an obscure office. Why, in your opinion, does First City Court and the clerk's position need to exist?
Yes. Well, it's not an obscure office. First City Court is actually a court of limited jurisdiction. In other words, we cannot hear or you cannot file every type of case in First City Court. So in civil district court and around the state, we have district courts, but we also have smaller concentrated courts that are called parish courts or city courts. And so First City Court, we deal with smaller civil lawsuits. $25,000 and less is usually what's going to be in dispute. We also deal with evictions. Those are not really handled in civil district court, but our eviction limit is $3,000 a month for rent. So that means that whether it's a home or a residence or a commercial property, that can also be done in First City Court. And so because of our specific or limited jurisdiction, we handle cases at a much faster rate, at a much lower, I guess, scale on a totem pole than you see in civil district court. I think the offices of city courts in general are important because, again, civil district court judges sometimes have longer dockets or trial dockets, which means if you had to file in the district court, it would take a lot longer to get justice in your case.